Have you ever heard of the term opportunity cost? If not, it's time to pay attention because understanding this concept can make a big difference in your financial future. Welcome to today's episode of Prosperity Paradox, where we explore the intersection between money and mindset. Every decision we make in life comes with a cost. When it comes to money, every dollar you spend has an opportunity cost. This means that every time you choose to spend money on one thing, you're giving up the opportunity to spend it on something else. For example, let's say you have $100 and you're trying to decide between buying a new video game or investing in a stock. If you choose to buy the video game, your opportunity cost is the potential gain you could have made if you had invested that $100 instead. But if you choose to invest that $100, you could potentially see a return on investment over time. This is why understanding opportunity cost is so important. You want to make sure you're making informed decisions about where you're putting your money to maximize your financial opportunities. So next time you're faced with a financial decision, remember to consider the opportunity cost. It's not just about the immediate gratification of buying something you want, but about the potential opportunities you could be missing out on. Make your money work for you and watch it grow. For more like this, follow Finance Fusion.